false Messiah, Dajjal.
They had violated the conditions for residence in the Holy Land. And Allah sent a Babylonian army. And that Babylonian army destroyed the state of Israel, destroyed the masjid, and took Banu Israel into slavery in Babylon. Babylon is in today's modern-day Iraq, in that territory. All right. And so the golden age has come to an end. While Banu Israel were there in Babylon, weeping by the rivers of Babylon, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent prophets to them. Among the prophets was a prophet named Daniel, for example. And he's a very important figure, Daniel. When these prophets came to Banu Israel in Babylon, these prophets communicated to Banu Israel a promise from Allah to them. The promise was that He was going to send to them a prophet who would be a special prophet, because this prophet would bring back the golden age. The golden age was one in which Sulaiman alayhi salam and the state of Israel ruled the world. It was the ruling state of the world. And when this prophet comes, he will bring that back. He will rule the world from Jerusalem. This prophet, special prophet to Banu Israel, this prophet was known as Al-Masih. The meaning of the word is not relevant here. The significance of the word is what is relevant. The functions of Al-Masih is to bring back the golden age, to rule the world from Jerusalem. In order for the Messiah to bring back the golden age, the implication is, number one, this is clear as an implication, number one, he will first have to liberate the Holy Land from Gentile rule, non-Jewish rule. Number two, he will have to bring Banu Israel back to the Holy Land. Number three, he will have to restore the state of Israel. And number four, that Israel must grow until it becomes the ruling state in the world, and that Messiah must rule the world from Jerusalem. Only then will the golden age of Sulaiman alayhi salam return. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfilled His promise and sent the Messiah, Al-Masih, in the person of Isa alayhi salam, they rejected Him. Is it tomorrow night? No, Thursday night we have Islamic view of the return of Isa alayhi salam, Thursday night. So on Thursday night we're going to go into this in greater detail. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfilled His promise and sent the Messiah to them, they rejected Him. Not all. There were some Jews who accepted Him. فَآمَنَتْ طَائِفَةٌ مِّن بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ. But there are others who rejected Him. وَكَفَرَتْ طَائِفَةٌ. They rejected Him because they declared that نعوذ بالله من هذا, He's a bastard. His mother gave birth to him without a father, without any, husband. And therefore she committed that vile deed of sinner. She's a bastard. A bastard cannot be in the Messiah. So they rejected him. And then later on, when they saw him die on the cross, before their very eyes they saw him die, it was now confirmed that although he himself claimed that he was the Messiah, and although there were many Jews who believed in him as the Messiah, the rabbis had rejected him. It was now confirmed he could not have been the Messiah. Why? Number one, he's dead. But the Holy Land has not been liberated. It is still under Roman rule. Number two, he's dead. But the state of Israel has not been restored. Number three, he's dead. But the state of Israel has not risen to become the ruling state in the world. And he has not ruled the world from Jerusalem. A number of reasons. So he could not have been the Messiah. Tomorrow night or Thursday night I'll give you some more reasons.